y'all, it's Will
and Mommy.
Hey y'all, it's Will
And Mommy.
So I got my hair done.
Girl, yeah, I got your hair done. So today we are making Christmas punch. It's a little bit similar to the last one, but we took out one ingredient and added a different one.
And I draw my drawings.
Yes, she's been drawing. So the first thing we're gonna do is get 2 cups of cranberry juice. Will is kind of under the weather. She's a little sick. So 2 cups of cranberry juice.
And Mommy won't let me go to choose it, please.
Here, get up.
Okay, Mom. So listen, I'm not gonna waste the cranberry juice.
Okay, go. Yep.
I didn't waste it at all. Nope, I didn't.
We gotta do 1 more cup.
One, like 3 of them.
No, it's just 2 cups.
2 cups.
Yeah, of the cranberry.
That's juices.
And then we're gonna do 1 cup of ginger ale.
Ginger ale? Oh, dang, that's dirty. Dang.
I don't know why that did that, but okay.
Dang, that just scared me. Popping my pants.
Ready? You got it? Cover your mouth. And then we have 2 cups of orange juice.
2 cups like cranberry juice. Wow, so
Put your birth out in there because you've been coughing and stuff. Okay.
oh, I'm gonna please and you wasted.
You got it?
Yep, I think I mixed it. I think I mixed it into yellow. Did it turn to
1 more
yellow?
cup of orange juice.
Did it turn to yellow?
It's not gonna turn to yellow.
I hope it turns to yellow.
It's
See?
not gonna turn.
Yes, it will. It will turn to yellow.
And then 1 cup of pineapple juice.
It did turn to yellow. Wait, one. I got 2 cups.
Just 1 cup of pineapple juice.
Just 1 cup of pineapple juice.
Yeah.
Okay, that's me.
Don't worry about it. We'll get it later.
No,
Sit down, Peter. Sorry, you don't have on those shorts. Sit down.
but I'll stir it up. Please.
No, because I don't want you to stay.
So, Mama. Stop. Okay,
And we
that's.
still have plenty of juice where we can always make more. Sit down, please.
No, I'll do it. Because I was going.
Yes. Cover your mouth, please.
I can try it. I can try it.
Yeah, we're gonna try it. Hold on. But you gotta cover your mouth. Wait a minute. Ready?
Wait, cheers.
Cheers. I like it.
Me too.
I don't know which juice I taste the most.
Yeah, buy out some pineapple, orange juice,
Ginger ale.
ginger ale, and cranberry juice.
There you go. And this is the Christmas punch.
It's yummy.
It is. Alrighty, y'all. Bye.
we will make some popcorn.
Alrighty, y'all. Bye.
Bye. Mwah.
Oh, there's no one in this